again, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are a regular on here, you will know that big jobs broke out. The bike shed, storage shed is progressing very nicely. I'm very happy with it, and I am currently at the cladding stage. Now, I'm cladding it with some featherboards because they're cheap, and I've sprayed them with Ronseal 1 coat, which actually was Ronseal 3 coat. You need to be honest about that kind of stuff. Anyway, so it's ready to go up. Now, this build for me is presenting lots of new skills to learn and lots of new challenges as well. So how do I go about cladding a shed? Now, I started out with all kinds of weird and wonderful elaborate plans involving various clamps and these types of things, and this got involved somehow, but when you're taking like 15 minutes to get one piece of cladding on, and I've got about approximately 90 to put on, I needed to come up with something new, something different. And believe it or not, and you're just about to find out in this very short video, often the simple solutions are the best. So for me, in terms of my one-handed woodworking, trying to get cladding on involved maybe a couple of offcuts of featherboard or an offcut of OSB and a little bit of ingenuity. Okay, take care everyone. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you hopefully very soon, part 2 of the shed build. Thank you.